Hello guys, so I'm sure how to integrate Slack with your Asana project, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, open up Asana on your browser to page your account and head over to the left side bar under project, select the project, click on customize here, and we'll find here the option apps under forms. Click on it. Now click on get started with apps, click on the plus button and choose Slack here. So, integrating Slack with your Asana project will enable you to get instant notifications in Slack when tasks and projects are updated in Asana. So, every time you update a task or create new tasks, a notification will arrive in your Slack account. So, click on Slack, click on Track the projects, and here click on Connect to Slack. Make sure you get permission to Slack to access your Asana project. Now click on Allow, and in this way you already integrated your Slack account with Asana in a few simple steps. Click on Allow, make sure to choose your workspace here, and you added Slack to the project and your work is done here. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and just leave a